Hi guys, welcome to this video on how I'm going to show you how to upload your photo on your Neolife back office. Now what do I mean by that? This is my office. This is my Neolife e-commerce store. So for you to be able to have your picture showing like this, so that when people come to your store, they actually see your picture. It personalizes your picture, makes you look real, it makes people trust you more. So I'm going to show you how you can upload your photo like so using your Neolife back office. Remember, this is my front office. This is where people see, this is where people sign up, this is where people can shop for products. But to be able to get your picture showing in your front office, I will show you how to upload it in your back office. The first thing is to put in Neolife there. Go to NEOLIFEcom on your Google. It takes you to this particular section. So you scroll down to your own country, whichever country that you registered with. You know, if you're in Canada, you click on Canada. If you're in South Africa, in any of these places, you click on any of these places. But today I'm working from Nigeria, so I'll just click Nigeria. And so it takes you here, and here you can now just log in with your login details. So once you've logged in, it takes you to your back office. This is your back office. I'm doing this for one of my distributors, so you can see this is your back office. So once you're here, you just go to your accounts, and then you click here Avator. Just click on it, and it takes you to this place. So what you're going to do now is to click upload. Now before you click upload, ensure that you have your picture already on your computer that you've snapped and put on your computer. So because once you click upload, it takes you to your computer where you now look for the picture you want to use. That's the picture I want to use. Click it, open it, and it's there already. So you can adjust it. If you look at these little lines here, you can adjust it the way you want. Maybe I can just make it so that it will come out a little bit, and maybe draw this, you know, so that so that looks better. And then just save changes. So once you click save changes, it shows you that. So what we'll do now, we'll now go and look at the front office to see how it looks like on our front office. To do that, if you want to get to your front office from your back office, let's say your front office is not open and you want to get to it, you just go to manage my websites here in your back office, and then it opens up here. So you see the link. This is the link to your front office. So all you have to do is just copy this link and put it on Google for it to open. Copy it. I'll open another Google page and I'll just put it there. Just put it there, and then it will open. So you see, so the picture is there. That is how simple it is. So if you want to put your picture on your office so that when people see you, you know, it looks okay, that is what to do. So thank you for watching. It's a short video, but it's just to show you how to do it, because some people were requesting to find out how do I do this. So it's as simple as that. You get your picture on your Neolife e-commerce store. Makes you look quite responsible and nice. So thank you so much for watching, and remember to like, remember to comment and subscribe. See you.